Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make burgers taste like McDonald's. We'll focus on patty preparation, seasoning, cooking methods, and bun treatment. Getting these elements right is crucial for that signature flavor. You'll learn the simple steps to replicate your favorite fast food burger at home, ensuring a delicious and satisfying result every time. For that classic taste, start with 80/20 ground beef. Form small, 2-ounce patties and press them very thin, around 3.5 inches in diameter. This thinness is key for quick cooking and a great crust. Season generously with fine salt and freshly ground black pepper right before they hit the heat. Remember, don't overwork the meat. The cooking method is vital. Use a very hot griddle or cast iron pan. Cook each thin patty for about 60 seconds per side, getting a fantastic sear. After flipping, immediately place a slice of American cheese on top. Cover the pan for a moment to let the cheese melt beautifully over the hot patty, creating that gooey texture. Finally, let's assemble your burger. Lightly toast your buns on the griddle for a warm, soft base. Spread a generous amount of your homemade special sauce on both the top and bottom buns. Add finely diced white onions and a few dill pickle slices. Stack 2 cheesy patties, and you've got a burger that tastes just like your favorite fast food treat.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.